Bum bum bum. Wagwan YouTube. Welcome to the Be Natural channel. My name is Brittany, and today we are kicking it in my bathroom. Basically, we're in my bathroom because I wanted to redirect. I can't even speak today. Basically, I wanted to redecorate my bathroom because right now I'm living in a loft and we cannot fix a lot of the main foundation that's in this building. So basically, we have a lot of brick in our apartment or in our loft, and we can't do things like drill holes. Our bathroom currently has a lot of ugly green tile. It's on the floor, it's on the shower wall, and I hate it. Like, green is not my favorite color, first of all, and second of all, it's just not how I imagine a shower to look. You know what I'm saying? I want to be in a comfortable, just like you want to just feel that like good feeling when you walk into your bathroom, right? Like, I'm about to take a long shower, a long bubble bath, and like these tile green walls and floors, they gotta go. It's like, I can't stand it, guys. And like I said, I live in a loft and I can't really change that foundation. So I went on Amazon and I happened to come across some vinyl, guys. And it's basically a marble, like mostly white, and then it has like some gray accents on it. And it's like, it's self-adhesive, so it's sticky on one side, so you kind of just peel the tape and you stick it on to whichever area you want. And the vinyl is waterproof, so you can put it on like counters, you can put it like around your sink, you can put it on all these, you know, areas that tend to be around water. So I wanted to give this vinyl a try in my bathroom, so I try to stick with, you know, decorations that look a lot like bathroom type of feels and stuff like that. So first of all, let me show y'all the vinyl. I'm gonna show y'all the vinyl that I bought. I bought some tools on Amazon too, so I'm gonna show y'all that. Hold on one second, I'm gonna go get that. So this is the Craftopia Adhesive Vinyl Roll, and color is white/gray marble, and this is the 5-pack, and I got this from Amazon. I will be putting all the links below, don't you worry, I will not miss out on anything. So if you guys want to try this, obviously I'm going to be doing this on my bathroom, and if it looked good and it worked out, get into it, you heard? So yeah. Alright, I grabbed my phone off the tripod, so let me actually show y'all what's going on with this floor and with the shower. The chair is low-key attacking me. Okay, get it together. All right, let me flip this camera so y'all can see what's going on. All right, boom. This is the door to the other part of the bathroom where the toilet and the shower is. And y'all already see it. Look at these dang floors. The ugliest bathroom award goes to... Ding, 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 ding. So you guys see what I'm talking about as far as the green tile, and it's very ashy, like, you hear that? I got my vinyl. The first thing I should do is probably measure. Do you think I need to measure? Try to take off the shower curtain. I was feeling sturdy. Oh, I'm feeling sturdy. Let me see some. Shit. My legs is looking kind of shaky, and my knees. Y'all thought I was going to break, huh? Y'all thought I was going to fall. I know y'all did. Y'all trifling like that. Y'all not trifling. Some of y'all trifling. I'm talking to myself a little bit, but I'm excited. All right, shower curtain is off, so I got my pen, and Hi. I'm gonna put the vinyl side against the wall because I just want to mark on the back where I'm gonna cut it. Because remember back here it has the grid and I can draw on that. And don't be looking at my booty. Just kidding. That was a joke. I did that on purpose. Don't judge me. Wow. This X-Acto knife, it ain't X-Acto. Alright, I'm gonna try this one. I think it got... Bro, the whole blade just fell out on my foot though. Yo, this from Amazon, B. I don't know if I'm gonna recommend these tools after this, but it's from Amazon. Apparently, can you give me some scissors? That's the best part here. Babe just went to give me scissors, so I'm just gonna wait for the scissors. Thank you, baby. Alright, so I got my scissors. So I'm gonna need some help with this recording because my tripod don't go high enough to be recording what's going on all up in here. But I'm sorry I missed part of that. But basically, all I did was I took the adhesive off the first side of the vinyl, and I stuck that to the beginning side of the shower. Just smoothing this out. And honestly, this is not gonna get the smoothest because this tile is not the flattest surface. It has jagged edges. So I'm just gonna smooth as much as I can, but knowing I'm not gonna get a perfect fit. I got my first piece down and now I'm working on my second piece. And again, I'm just gonna lay the marble part flat on the tile of the wall so that on the back of it, I can mark where I'm going to cut the vinyl. I got the first wall done. I'm gonna show y'all a little bit later because all this vinyl, I'm not gonna lie, it worked up an appetite. So I'm gonna go get a PB&J and I'll be right back. All right, y'all, I'm back. Hit the lights. Boom. You see how I did that? Magic. When I say lights, it's camera. Oh shit. Just kidding. Let me tie my shirt because we gotta get back to work. Alright, so I'm so extra, yo. So now we about to go in and do this big wall. Ooh, let me do that again so I get a nice thumbnail. Almost fell. Wait, let me do it again. Woo! This is my assistant. I'll be my assistant. He's fine. He's fine. It's a good thing we in here where it's cool. Because my hands gotta be steady and dry. Can't be a palm.
Girl, where you going?
Okay. Just fine. Tell me what to do. Whew. Y'all, girl had to take a break. My bathroom was getting a little bit too hot and I was definitely getting a little bit frustrated. My baby, he got frustrated. He went to go play video games. He didn't bother with me anymore. But yeah, we got a little bit to go, guys, so bear with me. Let's just get to it, bang it out, so I can take my wonderful bath or shower, whichever I choose, without these ugly walls. Yay! I hope you guys really like this. I'm starting to like it. It's definitely not like, you know, it doesn't look super professional, but it definitely looks better than this. Y'all, it's done. We did it. We did it. So y'all can see, we put everything on. What y'all think? So there's definitely visible lines. I try to keep it as neat as possible though, because of the shape of the actual vinyl. You can see the lines going across here, and I kept them kind of fluid, literally around the whole shower, so it kind of looked like it, so it didn't look too like jagged, you know what I mean? Whew. All right, guys, I am beat. Like, my face is beat, and so is my mood. Nah, but it's done. What I can say about this project, it was a lot of work, a lot of patience is required, a lot of precision. I think that if you really want to do it with perfection, definitely have like a ruler, have better tools, and just like really take your time. Like, I think if I wasn't recording everything, I would have like really gave it my honest like 100% work. But I think it's okay. Like, you know, babe saw it, he approved, he thought it was great. So this is just part one, and we're just gonna do other parts of the bathroom. So we're just gonna run the shower for a few weeks, and then I'll check back in with you guys and show you guys how it looks after the shower's been running, and you know, we do our other things here in the bathroom. So yeah, thank you again for watching.